Speaking at a news conference in Beijing, a Chinese foreign ministry spokesman says his country plans to hold an emergency meeting with the World Health Organization this week.
China will share with every country the experts and the WHO information about the epidemic and the study and discuss the epidemic.
Meanwhile, he says China has introduced strict measures and comprehensive policies to curb the spread of the outbreak.
Wuhan's government has increased controls on all people entering or leaving the municipal area.
The outbreak, which originated in the central city of Wuhan, is also spreading to other cities, with cases in the southern province of Guangdong, Shanghai, and the capital Beijing.
I'm not worried. I'm home now. I don't usually come out.
I plan to travel to Hebei. Now I'm considering canceling the trip. My co-workers are all telling me, if you're going there, you'll have to be quarantined when you come back.
Outside the country, cases have also been identified in Thailand, Japan, South Korea, the Philippines, and now the United States. National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases Director Anthony Fauci.
When you have an outbreak in a country as big as China with as many people as China, and you have the degree of travel between the United States and China, there's no doubt that sooner or later we were going to see a case, and we have.
The case in the U.S. involves a 35-year-old man who works in Washington state who visited Wuhan and came back to the United States last week before federal health officials began screening travelers from the central Chinese city. The man is now in isolation and is being monitored by doctors. Fauci says the coronavirus has about a 2% mortality rate.
That may get worse, it may get better, we're not sure because we're still very much in the evolving state of this learning about this brand new outbreak.
The scare brought back bad memories of severe acute respiratory syndrome, or SARS, another coronavirus that broke out in China almost 20 years ago, resulting in the death of nearly 800 people and a global pandemic. For Mariama Diallo, this is Mary Mata, VOA News, Washington.